Hey guys, Fox here. Welcome back to another quick tip for wearing a Shemagh. And really, this isn't a tip on any other style. This is just a very simple way to throw one on, have head, neck, and shoulder and upper back protection. I don't know the name of this method. I do know that this is very similar to the traditional way of wearing a Shemagh. So, take your default triangle, slap it over your head at center, bring it down, and adjust everything so that it lines up just above your brow. Pinch the edges in at your temples and kind of just, straighten things out. Okay, that's step one done. That's the easy part. The second step, take a bandana and make it a strip. Apply it to the middle of your forehead, like center it to your forehead, just above your brow. And bring it around and tie it off with whatever knot you prefer. It could be a double knot, double overhand knot, square knot, round knot, knot. Who's there? Bad pun. I'm sorry. But there's that. Then, boom. That is done. You can make an adjustment. If you've pinched and folded properly, you can kick out a little visor to get some sun protection. You can adjust that to be as low as you like. You can throw glasses on under it, and that is done. So as you can see, this provides great neck, shoulder, and head protection. And if you have a longish beard like me, it's perfect. You're not going to get any sun here. And it's open enough here that wind will, you have airflow. So not a lot of thermal retention going on. And speaking of thermal retention, this is also useful during the winter to where you just want to kind of keep keep the chill off. So if you put a bandana on under it in the do-rag style, slap this over and then put another bandana over it in this style, or cinch down with a hat, a headband, however you like to do it. Doing that will keep the top of your head nice and warm. So that is it for this video, this quick style of wearing a Shemagh. I thank you for watching, and I hope you guys find these tutorials useful or informative or even entertaining. There's more on the way. In fact, I have maybe a dozen or so more Shemagh tutorials before I start getting into the more advanced stuff, as well as, I'm not wearing my bandanas on my wrist, as well as bandana tutorials. Haha, bandana. I got maybe 24 bandana tutorials in the works. So, hey, that's it for me. Thankfully, this is a short video. I know I broke format a little bit, but this is so... Fuck off, fly. This is so simple that you don't need to see it twice. So, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you later.